Hello and welcome to this course. And in this course, we are going to be learning how to develop Flask applications. And I hope that you have a great and amazing time with me now. So we'll start off with the first section. And in this section, we want to start off by setting up our Flask environment. However, in this particular video, we want to understand Flask. So this is a big question that everyone should have at this point, and I really want you to understand what Flask is before we actually start using it. So the first question is, what exactly is Flask? So Flask is a micro framework based on Python. Now, micro does not essentially mean that it's a small framework, or micro means that it's incompetent. Micro framework actually means that Flask is meant to be light, as opposed to an all batteries included option, as for example with frameworks like Django, you name them. Flask aims to give you the basic features that you need and allow you to have options in terms of what you want to use. So for example, Flask does not come with a database abstraction layer and allows you to play around with the database abstraction layer of your choice. So you can even make your own database abstraction layer if you want to, or you can just find one that's available online that has been developed by other developers and start using that. So there are a lot of options in terms of libraries that you can use to develop your applications with Flask. However, the most important takeaway is that Flask aims to try to keep actual library or micro framework small and light so that you can use it and it's performant across all use cases. So it was initially released in 2010 and has been in continual use up to present day. So it's a matured framework that has seen the test of the industry, and many developers are actually starting to use it in light of the recent trend of microservice development. So you have a lot of use cases for this particular technology, and it's actually gaining more and more momentum as the years go on. So we won't really get much into what Flask is in this particular video, because I really want us to get this Flask onto your machines first so that you see that practically, and then we can get into a bit more Flask theory after you have had a bit of a taste of what Flask is practically. So I'll see you in the next video, where we'll start looking at setting up our environment on the Windows machine. So until the next video, I can't wait to see you.